So hi everyone, so today we're going to be taking Skyla. She's a double amputee. So let me introduce you. There you go, Skyla. This is Skyla. She's a double amputee. So we're going to go out for a walk. So here we go. Come on, Maker, you get in. That's it, go up the door. Right, let's go then. Ready? That's it, she'll go. Come on then. She's been dying to get out of you. In the wheels. Look at that. Come on then. No. You watch this now, right? She ain't gonna go. Come on then. You're not gonna go. See? She doesn't want to go. She likes being in the pushchair. Yeah, so we put the wheelchair away for a minute. She didn't want to go. Hello, baby. So, an introduction into Skyla. She lost her back legs when she was young. So she's been walking on her two front legs for the last probably 4 or 5 years. She has a little wander around these front gardens. Come on then, get away from this bit. Come on, this way. Come on then. Oh, she's on it. She's found someone over there, look. A workman. Oh, she likes this workman. Oh, you'll be on YouTube now.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Wait, where's that? Where's that? Eat that. Come on, come on.
Come on then.
Never go. Come on, Dee.
Come on then. Let's go. Come on. Good girl. So as you can see there, as she walks, she leaks. Come on, this way back. Come on then. Come on then. We want a ham. That's my key word. Ham. She'll bolt for that. You want a ham? Come on then. That's all the walking for today, I think. Come on. Come back into the safe zone. Good girl. Well done. What we'll do now is we've got this retractable gate. And we'll just clip that down in there. Now she's nice and safe. No one can get her. So it's just the short video today again. And you get the opportunity to see her on the two legs. So say goodbye to everyone at YouTube. Bye, Skyla. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.